Alright, vision impaired. It's time to be back in the kitchen. And I'm cooking something in the microlicious wave. But look. Depth perception example. I could be going to press the 3 and I press the 6. Or I could be going to press the 1 and I press the 7. Or I could be going to press even the 2 and I press the 5. Depth perception can be so ugly. Or I could be pressing one of these specifics. I could want to press pizza, but I press meat. Be warned, vision impaired, when your depth perception makes you press the wrong button and you get so edgy. Yes! Grr! It's not the microwave's fault, yet you wanna That's it for now. Depth perception.